you guys round 2 of trying to ride today. Gotta get gas first. Bike is doing really well. Not even dropping below 1,000 RPMs, man. It's just flawless. Haven't really been able to like open up the full power, but I can tell at idle instant, you know, instant difference, and just idles way smoother. But I mean the throttle response is oof. Dude, I see lightning. That's it's not good. The odds are not looking in my favor today, unfortunately. Ah, come on, man. Look at all over there, beautiful and gorgeous. And then we got over here, dark as hell. All right, baby, open road. Come on. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys who we're meeting up with today. We are meeting up with Devin. He's got the 2018 R1, and Trey. He's got the slow Gixxer. I don't know where we're gonna go or how long we're gonna be doing it, but as long as we have fun doing it, I guess, because we're gonna get wet regardless. Legit heading into the store. What is wrong with me? Oh, there goes the drizzle. We're almost to the mall though. Come on. Alright, home free. Here's the mall. Get out of the rain. Hopefully it passes by while we wait for everyone else to show up. Looks like I am the first one here, of course, so gonna wait for everyone else. So I will see you guys back when they get here. Alright, you guys, so we got Devin with us on his 18 R1 or 16 R1, I forgot which one it is. Nice try, bro. I know Devin's gonna want to get a pull in. Shifted early, or if I just let off full throttle. But I don't know, man. I'm so used to the power of this bike. All right, you guys, so we are picking up Trey now, and then we're going to ride out, hopefully not get rained on. Dude, the radar doesn't even show rain, but, dude, it started pouring down at my house.
This morning it started fucking pouring. I'm like, dude, come on.
Yeah, this is getting ridiculous. But I'm going to go ahead and change my GoPro battery, wait on Trey, and get back to recording here in a minute. Alright, you guys, and we are leaving Trey's place. We had to wait the rain out. It came down pretty hard as soon as we got here. But we are heading out. We're going to ride, get some lunch. I really hope we don't hit any more rain, dude, because this, that ain't it, Chief. My bike is 10,000% times better. So much better. Dude, that thing don't even drop below 1,000 now.
No cutoff?
None. Past 2 days. So.
I'm just so glad this shit's figured out. Oh God, wow. That sounds so good, bro. Trying to find me an R1? Fuck out of here, nigga. Fuck you. We could get a over and don't know how to act, bro. I swear to God, bro. Man, I'm
I'll take your key. Got him on that one, baby. You owe me a fill up.
Yo, I got you. Hey, we gonna have some fun today.
Huh?
We gonna have some fun today.
Bruh, hey, I got you both them times, but you were coming on that one turn. Dude, I was in top of fifth, and I wouldn't shift because I didn't want to, like, shift on that turn. And, dude, you started coming around. I was like, oh, shit, and I got out of that turn. I just hit it. vest. My vest piece. Thank you.
Oh, when it came off?
Yeah, it was flapping and shit.
No, that shit happens to me all the fucking time. Hey, good fucking run.
I can't hear you. Alright, let's go get something to drink, a little bit to eat, and I'll see you guys back here in a minute. Alright, you guys, and I am rolling out. I'm gonna head home. I've got some stuff to do. Had a good time with Devin, had a good time with Trey. Y'all be safe, ride safe. Always a good time. And I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys did enjoy the races, enjoyed the video, leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you please subscribe if you have not already, and make sure that the bell notification is on so you know when I upload more videos. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I will see you on the next video.